Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can blur a face or an object inside of Canva. So for this demonstration today, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can blur a face. So I've taken this family photo from the Elements library inside of Canva. So in order to blur a face or an object, we need to head down to Apps, and inside of Apps we are going to type blur, and we need frame blur, and then we're going to install this app. It says here choose a file, so you can upload your own photo, or if we simply click on this image, it now says edit image, so that's what we're going to do. We've now got some options. We've got brush option, we've got a shape option where it already gives us certain shapes like a face, a square, a frame, circle, rounded, square, triangle. Depending on what you are trying to blur out, some of those shapes may be helpful for you. And there is also a text option, so if we wanted to type in there hello, we can add blur text, and there you can see it's added the word hello and it's all quite blurred out, so that's also another option. So back to blurring our face, we're going to select brush, select an area to edit, so we're going to add a blur. You can change the parameters here of the brush size and the brush fade, and also we can select the blur effect. The type of blur effect you choose is determined by how much you want the object to be blurred out. So I think for this example we'll go with motion. So now we're going to select our object. So we'll select the dad's face here, and we'll start by moving the brush all over the face area to make sure that all the area we want to blur is covered. There we can see that it has blurred out the face. So now we can see we can have no blur, we can have the gaussian, which I don't think is very good at all. We can colour it, we can have the motion, we can have zoom, we can pixelate it, we can use glass, bloom, which again I don't think does very much in terms of blurring it out, trippy waves, a dot screen, a particle blur. So that one's quite good, so we'll stick with that one. So again, it does depend on how blurred you want the object to be, and then obviously now we can change the intensity, and we can increase and decrease that, and once you're happy we can then select save, and that will save your image with the blurred out face or object. Whilst it's saving, it does look a little bit pixelated, but now it's been saved, we can see now that the photo is back to being crystal clear. And that is how you can blur a face or an image inside of Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. I look forward to seeing you again soon.